8 Japanese techniques to stop overthinking. Number 1. Ikigai. Discover your purpose. Ikigai translates to a reason for being. Identifying what brings you joy and fulfillment can help shift your focus away from negative thoughts and towards meaningful pursuits. Number 2. Kaizen. Continuous improvement. This philosophy encourages making small, incremental changes rather than attempting large shifts all at once. By breaking tasks into manageable steps, you can reduce feelings of overwhelm and cultivate a sense of accomplishment. Number 3. Shinrin-yoku. Forest bathing. Spending time in nature is a practice that calms the mind and reduces stress. Engaging fully with the natural environment can help clear your thoughts and foster a sense of peace. Number 4. Zazen. Mindful meditation. Zazen is a form of seated meditation that promotes mindfulness by observing thoughts without judgment. This practice helps detach from the cycle of overthinking and fosters mental clarity. Number 5. Wabi-sabi. Embrace imperfection. Wabi-sabi is the acceptance of life's imperfections and transience. Recognizing that nothing is perfect or permanent can alleviate the pressure to overanalyze situations. Number 6. Kintsugi. Art of repairing. This technique involves repairing broken pottery with gold, symbolizing the beauty in flaws and challenges. It encourages embracing mistakes as part of your journey rather than sources of overthinking. Number 7. Harage. Intuitive communication. Harage emphasizes relying on instinct and nonverbal cues in communication. This approach can help you make decisions without getting bogged down in excessive analysis. Number 8. Gaman. Patience and endurance. Gaman teaches the value of patience in facing life's challenges. By practicing endurance, you can remain grounded in the present, reducing the tendency to overthink past regrets or future worries. And if you liked this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.